The Zera from Emit Imaging is a powerful tool for tracking gene expression in animal models. Adeno-Associated virus vectors are an emerging tool in gene therapies around the world. However, in their development, it can be very difficult to map the full extent of gene delivery. Despite having fluorescent reporter genes in the AAVs, whole animal imaging is difficult due to the low quantity of protein and the short wavelengths, which cannot be seen from outside the body. In this fly-through, we see that CFT can visualize AAV9 propagation throughout the whole animal. Since we are imaging the top surface, we are not hindered by short wavelengths such as GFP. We are seeing each slice in a series as it would come off the block, with a color anatomical image underneath a green GFP channel image. There are many models out there expressing GFP, and this makes it a very valuable technique for visualizing gene expression. We are now seeing the 3D reconstruction of the data for this particular AAV9, which targets nerve tissue. We are seeing the majority of the signal in the peripheral nervous system in areas like the sciatic nerve, the dorsal root ganglia of the spine, the trigeminal nerve ends, and a lot of the innervation of the heart. Before CFT, you would have to dissect out a lot of tissue from a lot of animals, which is very labor intensive. You might also miss off-target and potentially harmful effects, like the gene propagation in the heart in this animal. With Zera, you mount the whole mouse into the block, select your imaging parameters, and the machine runs automatically to produce a full 3D dataset of gene expression at a meso-scopic resolution. The fluorescence data has a large bit depth to allow us to see very low-intensity signal areas. This 3D image of a non-infected cage mate, where we see no AAV9 activity. We can run a bunch of different strains of this AAV9 therapy on different subjects and compare variants in a much easier and more comprehensive way. The human labor involved is around 30 minutes before the machine will run automatically, which saves a great deal of labor over dissection and histology techniques. For more information, please visit us at emitimaging.com.